Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a FabFitFun style and a Rocksbox. Hi, I know I'm a mess. I'm an absolute mess. We are literally walking out the door to travel in about an hour. My FabFitFun style box came in. I just finished doing my hair and makeup, and I wanted to get this filmed real quick because FabFitFun style is running a 50% off sale. So if you keep everything in the box, you get 50% off. Okay, so let's get started. I want to do this very quickly. Again, excuse my loungewear, but I am walking out the door and I'm going to be trying on clothes. So here is my bundle. There is jewelry in here. FabFitFun style is there's a $20 styling fee. It is an on-demand box, or you can set it up to reoccur. Oh, there's some cute things in here. My stylist is Tandre, and yeah, so it's 50% off if you keep the entire box. And they've sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this box, not just 5. All right, the first thing here is earrings. Again, I'm so sorry this is rushed and not my normal style. Open. Oh, push, I see. Okay, here. Oh, these are really cute. There we go. Those are really cute. Super duper cute. And since they're 50% off, they're not necessarily my style, but being 50% off, I'm likely going to keep them. Let's start with number 1. This is really cute. I have no plaid. I think I actually like this plaid. I have been looking for plaid, but it's really hard for me because I'm not a big plaid girl. This is the kind of plaid I like. Very subtle, not, 10 different colors. This is the Karat plain bottom, button down top in a size medium, light blue, $56. Again, 50% off if I keep everything. Next item. Now, I received one like this in my last box, but it was black, and I loved it, but it was really expensive. This one is marked down. This one is $19. This is the Heather cropped ribbed top, $19 in a medium in cream. Yep, I really like this. I really like it. It'll look great with black shorts. It'll look great with black slacks. And the last one she sent me, I wore with, she had it paired with leggings, but I really liked the black one, but I think I like this one even better. Okay, the next item, oh, this is so cute. This is really, really cute. This might be a little big. I've adjusted my sizes down, but apparently that's not registering. I don't know, maybe it is, maybe it isn't, or maybe this runs small. This is the Rosina floral front tie dress in medium in navy. There's navy trim on here, but the print is green, and it's $50. I really like this. I really, really like this. This is really cute. Okay. Oh, this is a beautiful cardigan. Oh, I love this. Super lightweight for summers here. Oh, this is not summers, for fall here. It's not cold here. This is a really lightweight, airy cardigan. This is the Kayla Pointel cardigan, medium heather gray, $34. $34 is a great price as it is, but then it's 50% off if I keep everything. So there you go. I'm gonna leave my code for you in the description box. That'll get you another $10 off. So there you go. It may be 15. Sometimes it's 15, sometimes it's 10. Oh, this is so cute. This does look like it runs small. This is the Alexa embroidered flutter sleeve top in a medium for $19. So 50% off of that. That is adorable. I absolutely love that. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to wear this on the cruise this week. That's where I'm going. Going on a cruise. Vlog's coming. Going on the Carnival Valor. And these are, oh, pants. These are different. They look like a denim, but they're a pant. Stoosh. Okay, these are contour ponte pant, size small and a black. And this is by Stoosh, S-T-O-O-S-H. Interesting. They're very, really stretchy. Oh, I hope they fit me. There we go. Okay, now you've seen me try everything on. I'm gonna go try everything on and I will be right back. Okay, so let's go over everything very quickly. This shirt's a little big, so I'm gonna see if they can exchange it. Let's start at the beginning. The pants, I really love these pants. They're a touch big, so they're really long. You can see I didn't adjust them properly, but that's fine. They'll be fine. They'll look good with booties or boots or whatever the case may be. They're super comfortable. They're like really, really comfortable. Super duper stretchy. I need to like explore maybe some jeans in this brand. But I needed a pair of black leggings and these will do the trick. You know, like we're out of the house. Not like my Zello leggings, just comfortable leggings. These will do the trick. So they'll be $24. This top, I love this. It's a touch big. It's okay, it's a lot big, but I think I'm okay with that. I think it's really cute and I don't want to exchange it. I feel like if I go to a small, then it'll fit. And this type of shirt, I think looks really good when it's a little oversized. That is $56, so it's $28. I can math. This is $19 and at 50% off, so 20, so like $9.50, $10. The sweater, I love this cardigan. I think it's so pretty. I love that it's got the little holes in it. Perfect lightweight cardigan for the fall here and the spring. This is by Skies Are Blue. I really like this, and it is $34. So yeah, $17. This is too big. Kind of like this shirt, this is too big. I need it in a small, but if it doesn't fit me if they don't have a small, not if it doesn't fit me, if they don't have a small or they can't exchange, I'm gonna keep it anyway and I will pass this to my daughter-in-law. It will fit her well as well. And it's $25. I just think it's really, really cute. I think it'd be very cute with a navy cardigan, which I have on the way. So I love this little dress, but it's too large for me. Okay, merchandise total is $262, and the all products discount, well, that doesn't apply here. It'd be 50%, so $131 minus my styling fee, so $111 for the entire box. I think that's a really good deal, and you're gonna be hard pressed to get me to send anything back. So there you go. Okay, so real quick, let's get into Rocksbox. I did want to show this to you. It just came in. Again, I'm going out of town. Rocksbox is $21 a month. If you sign up using my link below, I'll leave it in the description box. Not only do you get your first month's free, you also get a $21 credit towards your first purchase. They'll send you an email after you register and do all that stuff. You know what you do when you sign up. They'll send you an email. Usually, not all the time, but offering you an additional $5 if you fill up your wish list. So there you go. Go ahead and check it out. You can't, I mean, seriously, you don't have to buy anything. You can use this as a rental service. So if you have an occasion coming up or whatever, and you need a nice necklace, bracelet, earrings, whatever the case may be, and you don't want to invest in them, well, you can request pieces. They'll send them to you. I've never had a requested piece unless it wasn't in stock, not sent to me. And then you can wear it to your event or occasion and send it back. You don't have to invest in it. And any credit you get is forever credit. So it doesn't expire. Now your monthly fee will expire, but if you purchase something, your monthly fee goes towards that purchase. So, you know, I think it's a great deal. I just really think Rocksbox is a great deal. I've used it to start and continue my jewelry collection, my Kendra Scott, some Kate Spade, things like that. It just is a nice way. Plus you can wear the pieces and decide, do I really like this? Is it something I'm grabbing for? That kind of thing. And always have your code with you, because when somebody remarks how beautiful a piece of jewelry is you're wearing, hand them your code, tell them about the discount they'll get, because they'll get the same thing that you do, and then you'll get a credit from them using your code. Share your code. Always have it with you. I'm telling you. Comes like this, you know, here's your little card. Everything's in here. I'm going to be very quick about this because I know what's in here because I had them exchange everything. Because I was looking for something very specific and they had it, and I'm very excited about it. It's going with me on my cruise. Okay, this I'm putting on right now. This is the Sophie Harper Circle Pendant Rainbow Pave. I am so into the pave. These are the Sophie Harper earrings. The bottom one here is a rainbow. This is the Sophie Harper. This is Julie box. Isn't it gorgeous? I'll leave that for you too. You can get $20 off that. Here's the pave bracelet, and now I have a necklace. This is what I had exchanged for. I loved what they picked for me, but this is beautiful. I know I'm so out of sorts today. I apologize. Isn't that beautiful? Yep. Now I have my Julie box necklace on. I am leaving it on. I'm not wearing this outfit. I'm wearing a fashion outfit today. I'm gonna slip this on if I can. My nails are so long. I had them done, but they're still really long. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get it on. So you can see, it's just so beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. It'll be great layered with this necklace, with my Julie box piece. Absolutely love it. Yeah. And my other pieces are, I'm so excited about these. These are the Perry Street Lucky Drops in silver for $46. These have been on my wish list, and they're always sold out on Rocksbox or always in somebody else's cart. Are they not the cutest? The little silver sparkly stars? Yes. Now look, they're a little large, okay? But I absolutely love them. They're coming with me to wear on formal night because I just think they're beautiful. These are the silver stars. And then I requested, because my friend Yvette had this on. This is the Sophie Harper. I love Sophie Harper, in case you haven't noticed. Sophie Harper Star Slider bracelet in silver. I absolutely love this little bracelet. Look at this. Each of these pieces is $46. There is a higher retail price on them, but as Rocksbox member, you get a discount. So look at that. Isn't that the cutest? It is so cute. So cute. It's going on right now. I know I'm wearing gold. I mix metals all the time. I don't even care. My watch is silver. Sometimes it's gold, sometimes it's pink. It just depends upon my mood. I'll wear rose gold with silver and gold. I'm not gonna be able to slide it up on its own. But isn't that the cutest? So cute. Now, I can adjust it, I just haven't. With the star earrings, yes, those are absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna leave FabFitFun style linked for you in the description box. Go give it a try. It's open to everyone now. I do believe you have to be a FabFitFun member. You know, I think you still have to get the subscription box, the seasonal subscription box, in order to get the style box. Just, you know, you can try if you don't receive the subscription box. And also, I'm sorry, I'm in such a hurry today, and I'm gonna leave Rocksbox linked for you in the description box. Go check it out. I absolutely love Rocksbox. I will leave Julie box linked for you in the description box because it's all new and it's fabulous. The unboxing will be up on my channel either in the next few days, so watch for that because the set is amazing. $20 off. Okay, all right, there you go. Everybody's in their place now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I sincerely appreciate it. And we will see you on the cruise ship next. And we'll see you next time. Bye.